Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our try on. This is from the thrift. I bought this yesterday at the thrift in Tandag City. And I saw this, guys, is so nice. So I really like this kind of styles. So there's a tie here. Yeah, and there's a pocket here. Yeah, so that's one of the style I really like. I really love if there is a pocket. So because you can put anything here. So and now, guys, let's try on haul. This is from the thrift. So yeah, let's go. So before anything else, if you new here in my channel, if you new watcher, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, Margie Olvida. Wow, it's amazing. I really love it, guys. See? That's why I bought this yesterday when I saw in the trip. Wow, it's so really nice. So, and I get it, guys. Look, there's a pocket. So, that's uh one of my favorite. There's a pocket because you can put anything here. You can put anything. Yeah. So it's good. Wow, it's so nice. Wow, look at the back. At the back. Wow, nice. It's very nice. Even I'm so fatty, but it's look good. So pretty. Thank you for watching.